physics class. Under this, we are discussing about mechanics. Under that mechanics, just I am writing it here. Just this is a review. We are discussing about mechanics. Under this mechanics, just we are discussing about we have selected kinematics. Under this kinematics, we have selected only 1D motion. So under the 1D motion, the other name for 1D motion is nothing but a motion in a straight line. So in so many books you will get you will observe as it as motion in a straight line. So now 1D motion, under this 1D motion we are discussing, we have derived some set of equations of motion. Now we are at here. Equations of motion. What are the equations of motion? Equations of motion, just first equation is V is equals to U plus AT. Second equation is S is equals to UT plus of AT square. And third equation is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. These three equations I have derived on the board. Derived in the classroom only. Right now, next fourth equation is Sn is equals to U plus A into N minus half. Right now. So we have derived these three equations. I will give the derivation part of the fourth equation in the next class. Don't worry. But up to here, I want to explain some problems based on this. Generally, these set of equations are applicable for only. These set of equations are applicable only for the bodies or objects, particles moving with constant acceleration. This is the condition. If any body or object is moving with a constant acceleration. So nothing but a constant, A always constant. It is not varying. This is the condition for this application of this. If you want to apply this set of equations from this set of equations, if you want to apply any one of the equation, definitely the body must moving with definitely the body is with moving with a constant accelerated motion. The body is in the constant accelerated motion. Acceleration is not changing. It is moving with a constant acceleration. Then only you are able to apply. There is a permission to use this equation to find out any other physical quantities. Any other physical quantities are nothing but here. Yes, I given one situation. One object is at here. This is the mass, and yes, initially it was at here. So t is equal to 0. The velocity of this object at the start of journey, nothing but a initial velocity, and after some time t is equals to a particular time. After some time, definitely it gets some velocity. At the end of the journey, it gets some velocity. The velocity of the object at the end of the journey is called final velocity. Final velocity V, initial velocity U. And already I given one condition. It is moving with a constant acceleration. So a constant. And definitely it is at a 0 distance or somewhere, but it was started. So from here to it is I am selecting S is equals to 0. It was at origin. Now it was started journey. Up to here it was traveled. So this is the total journey of the total distance or displacement traveled by the object. Right, Nana? So from this, definitely they can give any, suppose they can ask what is the final velocity of the object. They can give definitely U is given, A is given, T is given. Yesterday, one of you, your friend sent me answer, solution. Who is that, Nana? Tell me. I think Rakshita. Right, Nana? One of you. I think Rakshita.
Sir. Sir.
You only sent me some message, some
Yes.
solution to the problem based on this concept.
What is the boys
Yes, sir.
and girls comment?
Is it correct, Nana? All right. Tell me that problem, Nana. Just here only the application of this set of equations I am giving. So you asked me yesterday, right, Nana? So please tell me, Nana, that question.
Wait,
What
sir.
you have sent to me, that question I'm asking. So yes, from those things here, you tell me, Nana. Up to you give the. I'm waiting for you, Nana. Just right after that, I'm explaining. Yes, v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, acceleration a, time t. Like that, a distance or displacement, like that, there are some different physical quantities are there. Definitely, they will ask any one of the physical quantity from those all the physical quantities. They can give remaining all in the question. Yes, so she is saying some question. In that question, definitely this situation only given, and you have to be apply this set of equations. What we have learned up to yesterday. So for that purpose only, and I recall this one, this part just one. That's why I written it there. Now, question is, tell me, Anna Rakshita. Yesterday you asked me that question. Sir,
Sir,
is
wait.
it correct? Is it correct? Is it right or wrong, sir? So just, but I didn't give any replay because
Yes.
today in the today's class I want to explain that because everyone should learn this concept. You don't worry, Nana. Very good.
Sir,
You
same
did it?
question.
Tell me, Nana.
The distance traveled
The distance
by a particle
traveled by a particle
starting from rest
rest
and moving with an acceleration
and moving with
an
an acceleration
4/3 meter per second square.
4/3 meter by
Second square.
second square.
In the third second is.
In the
Third second is.
third second. Nana, is there any other question? Because this is completely based on this part, this equation. It was not completed. Is there any other
completed.
question? Nana?
Question completed, sir.
Question completed. Okay. Third second. Okay. I understood. But this is completely based on this this equation. But it was near up to now it doesn't derive. I didn't derive that one. It is at tomorrow's class. Okay, I will say the distance traveled by a particle. Is there any question? Please tell me. Don't worry, Nana.
The answer is 10/3.
Tell me.
Answer is 10/3.
Answer. Actually, after completion only, I will get the answer, Nana. I didn't remember the answers. I sent you key.
Okay,
I
sir.
have sent. Okay, please check it once. Okay, na?
Sir,
I will
answer
give that.
is 6 meters.
Tell me.
Answer is 6 meters.
Okay, I am giving the solution at here. See here, Nana. The distance traveled by a particle starting from rest. From rest, nothing but it was started from rest. So initial velocity becomes
0.
0. Right, Nana? Next, a particle starts from rest and moving with an acceleration 4/3 meter by second square. Acceleration is given. I told you one word. Acceleration is constant. Constant, nothing but yes, it doesn't have any t, x like the terms. Only it has numbers. It doesn't change. It doesn't vary. From here to here, it is having same value. That's why it is a constant. So we can use the equations from these 4 equations. Now, acceleration A is equals to 4/3 meter by second square. Then, tell me, Anna, what is given? Moving with an acceleration in the third second. Nana, not in 3 seconds. It was started at here. Listen, Nana, listen. It was started here. Initially, it is starting from rest. So that's why initially its velocity is 0. That's why u is 0. Now acceleration. So acceleration is constant. Now third second, they are asking only, yes, it is traveling. After 1 second it was at here. Next second it was at here. Next second it was at here. Next second, like that it is traveling. They are asking simply at third second, in the third second, what is the distance traveled by a particle in the third second? But they are not asking in 3 seconds. In 3 seconds, nothing but from here to here, you can use this formula. No. From here to, suppose let us consider this the third 3 seconds. In 3 seconds, nothing but you can use this formula. But they are asking at the third second. In the third second, only third second. Third second, nothing but 2 to 3. From 2 seconds to 3 seconds, it is traveling. So third second, at third second, what is the distance traveled by that particle? So third second, nothing but simply you must take it as n is equals to 3. N is equals to 3. So you must use this formula. So Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus half. Yes, n is nothing but 3. U is nothing but 0. A is 4 by 3. N is 3 minus 1 by 2. Right, Nana? S3 is equals to 4 by 3 into 6 minus 1, 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 10 by 3 meters. Nana, someone said this answer. Who is that, Nana?
Ajay.
Tell me, Nana.
Ajay, sir.
Ajay, very good, Nana. Yes, check it once first of all. I given to key. Nana, in the key also little bit out of 46 questions. So 2-3 questions, there will be maybe, but not all. 2 or 3 questions will be wrong. But yes, what is this? Is it correct or not? In the given key. In the given key, yes, 10 by 3 meters. This is the usage of this equations of motion, what we have derived up to yesterday. Right, Nana? This is also the previous question. Yes, in which year it was asked, Nana? In which year it was asked, Nana?
2008.
2008. I think it is a NEET question. 2008 NEET or mains question. NEET question. NEET or mains or Karnataka. NEET question. 2008 NEET question, Nana. NEET was introduced to our, it is mains question, I think. Mains exam means at that time it is AEEE. So mains question 2008. In the 2008 it was asked. This. Right, Nana? Is it clear, Nana? Just a little bit, be careful at here. Because in the third second, it is, you have to be third. In the third, you have to use this formula. In 3 seconds, to total 3 seconds, you have to use this formula. Just a little bit confusion will be there in between these two. In those situations only, you are getting some confusion. No, is it okay, Nana? Right? Yes, please take a screenshot.